Hi, my name is Alan. I'm from Over the Edge Binding. I just wanted to give a few tips on row cutting level loops. A lot of people are saying use an owl, a lot of people use a screwdriver, some people say a knitting needle. I find you can do it easily with just an open knife. One thing that you want to do is to go with a pile. This way the pile is going down. That's the way that you're going to want to cut it, because if you go the other way, your knife is going to want to snag into the fiber.
This technique that Al is demonstrating is used specifically for patterned carpets in order to achieve a consistent pattern when seaming the carpet together. These tools that Al mentioned previously are just to help separate the fibers in order to find the row and cut it in a straight line. As you heard, there are tons of techniques people use to row cut carpet. We wanted to demonstrate that you can achieve the same result by skipping the middle step and just using a utility knife. This will save you valuable time in the long run. Remembering to keep your knife on an angle, you can complete the task very quickly. It's just a matter of how you hold your knife. Once you get the hang of the process, it will become natural very quickly. Just remember, take your time, and practice makes perfect. Here, Al demonstrates how to start a new row. Simply measure the length you need to cut, then line up your utility knife with the seam at the 4-inch mark and start cutting the carpet. In this particular circumstance, we're cutting 4-inch strips to make a wall base. This means that carpet is used on the base of the wall instead of a baseboard. This is commonly found in hotels. To finish off the video, you'll see we filmed a time-lapse of the process of row cutting this entire carpet into 4-inch strips using only a utility knife. We hope you found this video useful. Feel free to contact us with any questions.